What's going on YouTube? So I have a question for you guys. I need some help. I'm very mechanically inclined, but this is my first time working on a Dodge and I need some assistance, especially from the people who know the 5.9 Magnum. I bought this truck for $1,200. The previous owner said it needed seals, valve seals. So when got valve seals, I changed all 12 of them perfectly. Every single one is brand new. And it's still blowing blue smoke. I mean heavy. I haven't started the truck all weekend. It's been about 3 days, and I'm going to start it up for the first time now, and it's going to blow some blue smoke. I've been told it could be the plenum gasket, and obviously it could be piston rings, but I don't want to break into something that's not, broken on the truck. So check this truck out. Let me know what you think. It's most likely piston rings, but let me know what you think. When I did the valve seals, I hooked the air compressor up to each cylinder, and obviously if you've done this before, you know what it sounds like when there's pressure in the cylinder. Well, on the last cylinder on the passenger side, more towards the firewall, I believe it's cylinder 6 or 7, whichever one, I don't know. It was just pissing air. Air was just leaking out of it like crazy. It didn't have that pressurized sound. Obviously air is going to leak by the rings, but this one was just pissing air. I don't know where it came from, but it was just pissing. So check it out. Let me know what you think. I haven't ran a compression test yet, so I don't know what the head gaskets are looking like and what the cylinder pressure is looking like. So again, please let me know in the comments below. I could really use your help. I really don't want to just blow a bunch of money. I'm just trying to get this truck up and running, smog, so I can just drive it. It's going to be like my little weekend truck, you know what I mean? Please leave comments down below. Let me know what you think. I will start up the truck now. Hopefully it starts. And there is no check engine light on. So let me tell you, when you step on the gas, it blows a lot of smoke. I mean, I fill the whole street up. It is low on gas, so don't mind that. Oil pressure's fine. It doesn't overheat whatsoever. I drove this for about 25 minutes on the way home, and it doesn't overheat. When I was driving it home, I was doing 40. I tried to get up to 45, and it would just chug. Like it would just like the whole truck would just shake and chug. So I changed the plugs, wires, cap, rotor, the valve seals, the valve cover gaskets, obviously. I'm pretty positive. Oh, and the PCV valve. The PCV valve is brand new as well. I want to say it's because there's too much oil getting into the cylinder and getting blown out, or there's too much fuel being pushed through. I'm not 100% sure yet, but yeah, it just chugged like crazy. And I mean, blue smoke is oil, so I'm going to assume it is the rings. I'm gonna have to do a ring job on this, which is, it's not too hard, but I'm trying to avoid that. If I have to do it, I will, obviously, because I want to get this truck up and running and smogged. But if it is just like a plenum gasket type thing, then fucking dude, that'd be great. So oh, and it's got a misfire. I don't know if that's because of the rings or the gasket. There's air in here and there. I'm not too sure. This is my first time with a 5.9 Magnum truck, so let's get out and check it again. does have a cracked cat. I already have a brand new one, but it does have a cracked cat. So that could be another reason why it's smoking. You can hear that misfire. And again, like I said, it doesn't overheat, it doesn't lose oil pressure, nothing like that. It just has a really nasty misfire and a lot of blue smoke. Obviously the blue smoke dissipates after a certain amount of time of driving it. Like I said, I can't drive it over 45 or it starts chugging really bad, like loss of power, you know, the whole nine. I know the best way to tackle this would be just to do the rings and the plenum gasket, because obviously I'm gonna have to take it off anyway. So the best way to do it would just be to tackle the entire engine and go from top to bottom, make it all gasketed, brand new rings. You know, the thing would be top notch. But you know, I do just want to get this thing running smoothly so I can get it smogged and just drive it, man. I just want it to be like a little toy. But if I have to do rings, the entire engine's going to be regasketed anyway. So again, please leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think. Again, I appreciate it. Thank you for your time, and we'll catch you next time.